You're watching Congress Rico Act. It is November 25th, 2024, 1:07 p.m. This is our evidence and exhibits. Thank you.